This question's asking whether or not the presented table of values is linear or nonlinear. And if it's not obvious by just looking at the table, what I would suggest is to place a graph of this data or to create a graph of this data. And one simple way to do that, of course, is just take out paper and pencil and do it by hand. And then there's also other things like Desmos and the graphing calculator. So I'm switching over now to the Desmos graphing calculator. If you just go to desmos.com /C, you'll get to that calculator. I'll post that link as well in this video. Because this is a table, we want to click Add Item and Table. And here we're going to fill in the X values of the table. I'm just pressing the number and then Enter. And notice that Desmos already sees a pattern to my numbers. So I'm just going to press Enter, and I've already got the X column filled in. For the Y column, I'm going to fill those in. They were 6 all the way down. So I press that number and Enter. And you start to see the points appear here on the screen. With the visual, I can now see that these points are linear, meaning that they line up, they form a line. Anything that does not line up in a straight line like we would expect a line to be would be called nonlinear. So that's why we would choose that this function is linear, and specifically here's its equation, y = 6.